If at the end of the settlement process, the attorney and the client together make the joint decision that we need to file a lawsuit, we're going to be representing you throughout the entire process. We would initially file the lawsuit in a court, we would send you a copy of the lawsuit, and we would work with you throughout the entire litigation process. Oftentimes when there is a lawsuit, we would file discovery requests. That is requests for insurance policies, witness statements, and interrogatories, which are questions that have to be answered under oath to the other side. At the same point, the defendant in the case will file interrogatories and requests for production of documents to you, the plaintiff in the case. The legal assistants and the attorney will work with you, the client, every step of the way to answer those interrogatories. After the interrogatories are answered, normally a deposition is taken. A deposition is a statement under oath. Typically what we do for the client is we would send them a copy of all their medical records and bills, a itemization and a summary of all their medical records and bills, answers to their interrogatories, photos, and all the medical records, and then we would work with you to prepare you for the deposition. So instead of it being a stressful activity, the deposition will be fully prepared for, and it will be a lot easier than our practice. After the depositions are taken, both of the plaintiff, the defendant, and any relevant witnesses, lay witnesses, meaning people that witnessed the accident or have information around the accident, or deposition of the expert witnesses such as an accident reconstructionist, a medical doctor, or any other individuals in the case that offer expert opinions, typically the case will be set for a mediation. A mediation is a process where there is a private or court-sponsored mediator who is an attorney that will try to settle the case between the plaintiff and the insurance company. We will be with you throughout the entire process in order to try to maximize your recovery. If the mediation process is successful, there will be a settlement at that time, and we will try to help you maximize your recovery by negotiating down insurance liens. And we will pay all the medical bills and expenses and attorney fees out of the settlement, and then we'll write you a check for your recovery. If the case proceeds to trial, we will be with you throughout the entire process, working with you to prepare for trial and trying the case. We pride ourselves on trying to do a good job on your case of keeping you fully informed and prepared to testify at trial, and then to try to maximize your full recovery. Feel free to look at our website and you will see some examples of our large settlement and trial verdicts. We can't promise you a fantastic result every time, but what we can promise you is we will work with you throughout the entire process, and you have our word that we will provide the best service possible to try to work with you to achieve the best result.